You want to grow your brand, right? But posting daily feels impossible. The truth is, you don't need to work like a machine. Instead, you need a perfect content creation system which will help you stay consistent, grow, and also still have a life. The problem with most creators is that they burn out because they try to post every day with everywhere. That's actually a wrong move. Instead, what you need is one piece of content a week, which will be your anchor post. It can be your YouTube video or podcast, it can be a reel, it can be anything, but you need one core piece of content a week. Why this works is because you're emphasizing more on a quality basis, which actually helps you build trust for your audience. One piece of content is better than 10 rushed type of content. So what you actually need is actually one piece of content a week, which will help you stay consistent and also lower your rate of burnout. So as a result, you start uploading consistently without frying your brain. Here's an actionable step. You need to pick one single platform which you're going to post your anchor post, which is going to be weekly basis, and commit to one piece of content a week. Now, here's a way to actually maximize your output from your content. The cheat code isn't to create more type of content. It's actually to repurpose the same damn content. So you created your weekly anchor piece of content, right? Which will be weekly basis. What we want to do is take that clip and repurpose it into different types of platform. So let's say you have an 8 minute video. You actually put it into an AI like Opus Clips Video.ai or any type of website. And what it does is actually cuts down the main points of the video and makes it into a short form. So you can get like around 5, 6 clips from it, and you can start uploading in your Instagram, TikTok, in all the other kind of platforms. So in this way, you don't have to create more content. You just need to repurpose them instead of creating, sitting down, writing the idea, scripting, and then again making the video. It is a lot of effort. Instead, repurposing is much better. People need to see the same message again and again to actually get them ingrained in their brain. So by this way, you're actually multiplying your effort in less amount of time. So here's your actionable step. So use your anchor clip. Take your anchor clip, try to repurpose them into different types of clips, 3, 4 clips, and then try to upload them in all the platforms, TikTok, Instagram, maybe even X, I don't know, YouTube Shorts, etc. Growth also needs frequency, but not the type of frequency which will burn you out every single day. So a lightweight daily presence is your best option to actually show up every single day. It can be writing tweets, it can be writing your email newsletter, it can be writing about your story, it can be any type of thing. But coming to some piece of content, it can be writing, it can be even just take your mobile and just record and then just upload it directly. No, it might, yeah, it might underperform, but you're still actually making every content every single day. So having a low effort daily presence can actually help you build more trust for your audience. This always makes people feel that you're actually there for them every single day without overcommitting. So here's an actionable step. I want you to post at least one type of content. It can be an email newsletter, it can be a tweet, it can be a simple images, even posting in community also on YouTube is will get the job done. It can be anything which is low effort. So by committing to this simple schedule, you can actually multiply your output with less amount of effort and also stay consistent and making your brand grow. I use this exact system to actually grow my personal brand also. So I commit to an anchor post, which is actually creating these videos. And I use the same videos to actually repurpose them into YouTube Shorts, Instagram clips, or etc. etc. Low effort daily presence is actually me tweeting out tweets in Twitter. I just randomly get a few ideas which I love to capture them. So I just tweet them out immediately on Twitter. It's much more easier than to actually create videos every single day, because every single day you need to sit for an hour and then sit down in front of a camera, set it all this up, and it is a huge process, huge hassle. So instead of just tweeting out your ideas, tweeting out stuff, telling your story in email newsletter, just doing a community post or an Instagram story also. It's a very low effort way, but it shows that you're actually making a presence every single day without actually overcommitting to your brand. And if you're interested to actually start your own personal brand and grow it, I have a free Telegram channel which you can join absolutely for free, where I share my own lessons there and also the lessons which I learn. So it's link in the description. And if you're struggling with procrastination, you can click this video to watch here somewhere on the screen. This will help you reduce, absolutely eliminate your procrastination of creating content. So watch the video on the screen.